everyone, welcome back to my channel Real Beauty. This is Rosni. Today I'll share a unique video you all which is too much beneficial for applying and consuming and which is available in everyone's kitchen. Yes, you are right, it is egg. Today I'll show you applying eggshells which is too much beneficial for skin. Eggshells contain over 750 to 800 milligrams calcium. Benefits of eggshells for skin are prevents fine line and wrinkles, removes dark spot and blemishes, quickly glowing the skin, unclog the pores, prevents aging. So let's start. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So let's start. See, first making eggshells face masks, I have taken 3 empty eggshells. See, these eggshells are so dirty. So I will boil this very well and I will clean them so that they are disinfected. See, after 5 minutes eggshells are totally boiled and they are very clean as well. See this. I will wash them more in clean water so that they do not have any odor. Now I will let them dry for 10 minutes under the sun. So for making face mask powder, I have taken 1 bowl of oats, 3 pieces eggshells and 1 empty glass container. Now I will break eggshells into pieces so that it becomes easy to get crushed. See this. Now I will crush them in a mortar and pestle so that the grinding becomes very well and becomes a soft powder. It could be mixed in a grinder too, but that would not be efficient. The mixed will be rough and the chicks might get damaged because the skin cells of chicks are very soft and sensitive. See, the eggshells are totally powdered. It is totally getting absorbed in the hand. Wow, very nice. Now I will grind the oats too. See, it is totally mixed. See, they are totally powdered. See how it gets absorbed in the hands. See how good it is mixed. Now I will store this empty container. See, I am making it for 1 month. So finally my eggshells face mask powder is ready. So let's start applying. Therefore first I have taken yogurt, 2 teaspoons oats and eggshells powder, and with it I will mix 3 teaspoons of rose water. Then mixed it well. So finally my eggshells face mask is ready. Let's apply. First I will clean my face. Then I will apply the face mask in the whole face. See, it is totally applied. See, after 20 minutes it's totally dry. Let me show you after washing in normal water. See my face. Use it for sure and make sufficient for 1 month. Time to wrap up for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and switch the notification bell to all for latest update. Always be well. Take care. Bye.